Good evening everyone. There are a lot of explorers around the world seeking to find something new, something great with passion. But I personally feel there is a lot more to explore within oneself. Yes, here I am to share with you how I started exploring myself. 4 years back, it was a fine morning when I woke up, but things around me were not fine. People were questioning me of my inability in scoring high marks in my class 12 board exams. Filled with overwhelming emotions, I ended up meandering through my Facebook page where I found a quote for my lifetime that stated, "Fail often." It reflects an increase in your reach and risk-taking. The words "fail often" provoked my anger. So I googled and discovered those were the words of one of the top leadership experts of the world, Robin Sharma. Since then, I started feeding myself with so many self-help and motivational ideas of experienced people. That made me realize a top truth of the world, that is, a small change adapted today can lead to a bigger difference in the long run. So I passionately felt the need to make a bigger difference. So I took forward to make a change. That is, a change in my perspective, a change in the way I see things. For example, nowadays if I score low marks in my academics, I never feel dejected. Instead, I motivate myself saying, "Hey, come on, this is the same girl who managed to crack the world's toughest exams in all time." In all time, which is the world's toughest exam, which I mean the first periodic test of the little kindergarten. Yes, even without any prior knowledge or exposure to the things, the so-called alphabets, numbers, etc., each one of us managed to crack the exam in the very first attempt, even by the age of 4. So when compared to that learning, what we do today is nothing. So I thought of exploring myself by changing the perspective. Now I felt the need to extend this idea to the society. But why should it be done? See, we are living in an era of advancements in technology. But extraordinary advancements in technology. But still there are lots of problems piled up for us to get them resolved. What would be the reason? The reason is the way in which we are brought up, and of course the education system. It managed to create successful and adaptable human beings, but not a critical, democratic thinker who is willing to make a change rather than just adapting to it. So, in order to fix all these bugs, the only way is self-awareness that should be born out of self-realization by changing the perspective. So, I feel personally that changing the perspective is the need of the hour, and I hope you are all convinced. Thank you.